Ah, malaki. Ay, mabigat. Shark got me. Oh man. Dang it, shark. Yan, malapit na kami. Almost there on the second platform. A little high tide already. Mababa. Katali mo ba yung sayo?
Hindi, tataas na lang.
Tataas mo dun sa taas?
Tataas tayo.
Akyat ka muna bago yung rad. Yun, we reach our destination. Yun, first cast. May kagat si Gary, meron na. Nalikpik ba? Ang swerte talaga. Uy, mapan. Laki. Ganda ng lap. Ayun, putol. Naiwa. Fish on. Come on. Oh, that's not. Yun. Wait. Yun. Kakaano lang oh. Malaki na bro. Malaki. Yan no. Yes. Huling-huli sana oh. Vivek. Maganda pagkakatira. Ayos. Sa wakas. Inulan muna, inulan na. Inulan na kami ah. Sana muntok.
Tulihin kita, kaya pala sila. Oh, takbo.
Oh, putol. Ang dami. Tatlo. Ayun oh.
Ayun, oh.
4, 5.
Yung malaki oh.
Grabing pating yan. Ang dami. Yan si Gary oh. Bago mo eh. Oh, nakailan ka? Tatlo. Ako dalawa. Ayan, mga sir. Okay. Okidoki.
Malaki-laki yung isa.
Hindi, pangalawa. Alright mga ka-sir, next time again. We are night. So, hope you like this video. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, first and foremost, Happy New Year to everyone. Good afternoon everybody. So we're out here, out in the beach. Gonna be trying to look for seaweeds. We're prepping for tomorrow's fishing, so we're gonna be trying. It's a little high tide right now, that's why I have my goggles, so that I can see clear in the water. But this is what we're up to, seaweed. So we got the nap already in there. And so that's what we gonna be using for tomorrow. All right, let's get it on. All right, let's get to my rig setup. As I mentioned earlier, we're gonna be showing you my setup for tomorrow. All right, I think my light is not, there you go. So as I mentioned earlier, I'm gonna be showing you my setup for tomorrow. So first up, the rig setup for Tataga. So when you go fishing for Tataga, on that spot that I've been fishing recently, you have to go big setup. So because fish over there get sometimes bite, sometimes big one bites. So it's either you're gonna get rip if you have a small setup, or you're gonna get snag on the ledge, on the drops. So first up, let me show you my rod. So this is my rod. It's a Daiwa called Beep Stick 102 102 MHS, and then length of this is 3.05 meters, so it's like 3.05 meters, like 9 feet, right? And then lure weight is 1 to 6 ounce, line weight is 14 to 40 pounds. And get my reel. So my reel is I'll be using for tomorrow is gonna be my pen reel, battle 2, I believe, 8,000. It's already faded, but it's battle 2, 8,000. So, and then I'm using for my main line is gonna be a 20-pound braided line. I believe it's 20 pound, but I think it's more than that. It's like 30, I think, but I forget already because it's been a while since I had this braid, but it works for me the last time I've been using it. And that's for the main line. And for the leader, I'm using a 40-pound mono. So I'm using a 40-pound mono, and then the tip of that leader is gonna be a 30-pound wire leader. This one is a coated one. I don't think it matters if it's coated or not. I'm using a non-coated also, but this one is a coated one, 30-pound. And then for the so these weights is a donation from my fishing friends. Thank you for the donation. And then these two are donation because I ran out of floats, and so I usually use different kind of float, but this one works for me. It's like worth $3 wooden float. I got a bunch of those wooden float. I never use orange yet. I'm only using white, but just in case I run out, I have orange one. So I never try orange yet. So we'll go to the hook setup. The hook setup is solid, heavy duty. I believe is gonna be 10, 11, 12 size hook. So this is the biggest one. Usually I use a couple of 12 size hook, and also 11 on this spot, but on a different spot I use number 10. So as for the reference, how big it is, so like, come on, so the smallest one is that. It's a heavy duty, so I've been using that one too, a bigger hook, but I rarely use that one. So regularly on this spot I'll be using that one, heavy duty one. So for the actual setup, just wanna let you guys see. So I already have a pre-made setup over here. I got bunch, so I've been using a braided line also sometimes, but right now, tomorrow, we're gonna be fishing only with wire leader and mono. And also have this and this one, just in case I run out. So I don't think I'm gonna be running out for tomorrow. Usually I only use two or three, the max. So for this one, so this is my setup, a couple so it's like half-meter long setup, right? So that's half-meter, and then end is swivel. So because I'm using 2 hooks, so that's how long my wire leader is. So it's only like 2 inches, I think, 2 inches. That, if you can see that. All right, and then the nut that I've been using on the wire leader is nutless. it's a knotless tie, what do you call that, tie, and then connect it with mono. So it's only 2 inches, that's how long it is, because usually there's few times, pardon my my nail, because I just fish for squid, I didn't clean it yet, but usually it get cut up on the end, on the connection from the hook and the line. So that's why we end up making a wire leader, so that we'll get the chance to land more. So for the rest of the line of the leader is gonna be like 2 meter long. So that's gonna be 2 meter. Then another. That's how long it is. So that's my complete setup. If you have question, comment down below. Just let me know if you let me know what you think of my setup. But recently I landed 4 good sizes with this one, but unfortunately I didn't catch a video. So before I use a braided line, and I'm losing a lot of fish, because it's not that I can't land it, it's just like we get cut up sometimes, and then somehow I couldn't land the fish, and then somehow I cannot hook it up real good. So right now we're gonna be started using wire leader, because I think much better wire leader and the mono, because of the last time. So I was like testing this last time, so I landed 4 and then maybe a couple of missed bites, but I think it's pretty good setup. So we'll check that one out tomorrow again. We'll test it out, keep on testing until like you get the best rig, you know, like the good chances to land more fish. All right, let's see you tomorrow. All right, rock and roll. All right, good morning mga ka-sir. Now here at Katagap fishing spot. So we're gonna be trying our rig that we made yesterday, last night I mean. Hopefully it's gonna be a good fishing session, another fishing adventure. Right on, look at that sunset. Oh, sunlight. Big. Yun. Malaki. Ay, ay. Uy. Sama. Halo black. Nilunok niya, oh. Oh, tingnan mo, ang laki. First time, big one. Yeah.
Hindi ba makain yan? Sobrang laki.
Kinakita ko siya nung kumagat eh.
Kita mo?
Oo. Makasya rin. Nice one. Nilanok niya oh. Ah hindi, tama-tama lang. Bunga nga. Ayos. Record. Record breaking. Hollow block. Yeah, mga kasyar. Yeah. 2 big ones. Alright, we're on the board.
Kamay mo, bigay mo nga. Ha? Ayos.
Ubusin niyo.
Magbabali mo rin.
Sa pwersa na lang ano. Good morning, sunshine. Good morning mga ka-share. Just wanna say advance Merry Christmas to everyone. Look at this spot. Good sign. I like it. I like the view. That's the beauty of fishing, you know. You can go out, head out, try to see if you can catch something, and then enjoy the beauty of nature. That's what you can get when you go out, right? First cast mga ka-share. Fish on. Fish on. Uy, ang ganda. Yes. Bro! Wasa. Hey. Yeah. Fish on. You know. Yeah. Bro. Shark got me. Oh man. Dang it, shark. Alright. Let's rock and roll.
Tapos nagpalit ako ng dalawang hook. Yun, panayang agad.
Nung nagpalit ako ng dalawang hook,
Panayang agad. Tapos braided. Yung isa na bent, yung isa na putol. Pero yung isa naiangat ko, yun nga lang, sumabit. Kinain ng shark. Naisahan ako ng shark.
We're gonna start walking. Mga fisherman. Yes, over there, it's too far. Hopefully I can catch them. I met them over there in the parking lot. Not really nice group. So update mga ka-share. Ako lang walang huli. Mga kasamahan ko nakaisa na. Nandiyan dyan si Gary. Tapos si Nong Jun nandoon. Nakatatlo. Ako wala kahit bite. Wala. Bakit kaya? Isang hook na lang kaya gamitin. Magpalit tayo. Tatlong beses na ako nagpalit eh, wala pa rin. No effect. Alright, let's go. Stingray. Hi. That's a huge stingray. Aba, panay-panay ka dyan ah. Si John nakakuha na naman. Ah. Awanin. Nakatatlo na. Gutom kami dito. Kakagat din yan. Yan lang mga ka-chef. First time for 2 hours. Not so bad. Right. Rock and roll. Alait. Wasa. Hey, what's going on, man? For 2 hours. We waited for 2 hours. This is my second catch. Where you been? In Arahan? Oh, okay. I thought you were spear fishing today. With Steve. Oh. We got 2 mga ka-share. That one too for luck.
3.
So
This is the second time I see the
it's
first
rare
one
to
was at
catch,
Asan.
3 blades.
Yeah. The first one is at Asan.
You got that 3 blades for
Now
luck.
I get
For luck.
one.
For luck. So we just finished fishing mga kasi. But Caleb caught a rare species of tataga. He got 3 blades. That's a good one. There you go.
It's like Buddha.
You never see a tataga with 3 blades on the tail. But hopefully you like this video, even though it cut short. I didn't cut so much, so only cut a small one. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, rock and roll. Till next time.